In a world where every moment is meticulously curated, Lena found herself grappling with an unexpected wave of vulnerability. Her Instagram feed, once a vibrant tapestry of her life, had begun to feel like a heavy burden. Each post, each carefully filtered photo, was a reminder of the expectations she felt from friends, family, and even strangers. The pressure to maintain an idealized version of herself had become suffocating. One evening, as she scrolled through her profile, Lena felt a surge of anxiety. The likes and comments that once brought her joy now felt like a spotlight, exposing her insecurities. She had started to question her motivations. Was she sharing moments for herself or to seek validation? The answer was clear, and it stung. With a deep breath, she decided to hide her posts, a move that felt radical yet liberating. The process was meticulous. Lena hovered over each photo, her finger trembling above the archive option. Memories flooded back. Spontaneous laughter at a coffee shop, sunsets that painted the sky in hues of orange and pink, candid moments with friends. Yet, beneath the nostalgia lay a profound sense of relief. Each archived post felt like shedding a layer of skin, a step toward reclaiming her authenticity. As the images disappeared from her profile, a mix of emotions washed over her, freedom intertwined with sadness. She feared losing connections, worried that her friends would question her absence. Yet, she realized that true connections were not built on a digital facade. In the days that followed, her online presence transformed. Without the pressure of public scrutiny, Lena began to share her thoughts and stories, raw and unfiltered. She felt lighter, more genuine, and surprisingly, her friends responded with understanding and support. In choosing to hide her past, she found a path to a more authentic self, one that thrived beyond the confines of likes and comments.